Welcome to Avital's hands-on cocktail bar, an interactive experience that lets your guests create their own cocktails alongside an expert bartender. The bar is designed for high-energy reception-style events, perfect for large groups. Each guest will spend about 5 to 10 minutes at the bar, mixing, mingling, shaking, and stirring. With guidance from an expert bartender and Avital host, each guest crafts their own cocktail, adding spirits, high-quality mixers, and beautiful garnishes. All cocktail recipes can also be made without alcohol, a great zero-proof option inclusive for all guests. Menus and signage can be printed with your logo for an added brand touchpoint. The hands-on cocktail bar is a fun, engaging, and delicious option for your corporate event entertainment. So say goodbye to boring corporate events. Book your activation bar at avitalexperiences.com.